Hey guys, welcome once again to our channel. Today we are going to be talking about this amazing light. This is Ulanzi AL120 Inflatable LED light. This light is one of a kind. And in this video, I'm going to be basically showing you how you can set it up. And it is up to you to determine the scenarios by which you want to use this light, but believe me, it's portable and you can use it in different shooting scenarios. On opening the box, you're going to see the light itself, right? And also inside the box, you have this carry-on bag, which is beautiful with this lock mechanism that it has. This is your user manual. Also inside the box, you have this handle grip and attachment to hold the light. I'm going to take out the carton and set the light properly. Now on opening this light, you'll notice that there is this particular segment here that has all the warning. It says ceiling cover must be tightened before filling. So there is all those information to help you make sure that this thing is kept properly, and this cover will help water not to enter into this device. And also there is this device, an air pump system, to help you inflate this light easily. Now the simple way to inflate this light is to press this button here when you have already made sure that here is locked, right? So I'm going to press this button once. Now you can hear that sound. That is to let you know that your light is inflating. Yeah. Now the light is okay. This is how you have your light. This is how it's going to be, and I'll make sure that I lock it back here. This is beautiful. You can see you don't need a softbox, right? This is already a softening material to let light pass through it and give you that soft light coming through to your subject. Those of you that are looking for 120 watts powerful light but have this softening effect or feel that you can also use in different shooting scenarios, right? This is the light. So it comes in this inflatable material, right? Like this. So light comes in here. You don't need an extra softbox that will take up space. And with how light it is, that means you can actually put it in different shooting positions. You can either mount it up or put it down. Also, there's this handle grip that it came with. I'm going to set it up so that you see how it's done. This handle grip, this is it. Let me introduce it to you first of all. If you look at this place, you can see that we have our controls and LED screen here. And on this side of it, there is a connector. There is a connector that we can connect the light itself to. So this is where the light will have contact with this handle grip. And also you can see that you can move these things around. It's not static. But one other thing you need to know about this thing is that this light, you can either carry it in landscape or in portrait mode, right? If you want to mount this light vertically, you have to mount it this way, right? So also you can change the orientation like this. You can move it like this or like this. Now if you want the light landscape, so that you can be able to carry it like this on your subject, you can mount it this vertically. By the way, this is detachable, you can see it, which will help you control this light from a distance. This is not a battery pack. For those of you that are confusing this to a battery pack, no, it's not a battery pack. It's a grip that will help you connect your light, mount it on your stand, and at the same time connect your power to it. So I'm going to show you how to connect a power to it, which is basically like one of the most asked questions and the point that is confusing people, right? So how do I connect my power to this? Now before I mount this to the tripod, I'm going to show you right here. If you look at this stuff here, you're going to see there is a USB Type-C port here, which is where this USB that they put inside the box that came with the light, we are going to use it. So I'm going to plug this USB Type-C right inside this place. Can you see? Now this is what will supply power to your light. So we are going to do that now. Now as you can see, we have mounted our light on a light stand, right? Like I told you, this light, you can tilt it the other way around. You can loosen it here, and when you want to use it, landscape, you use it this way. When you want to use it in portrait mode or vertically, you use it this way. One of the working dynamics that confuses people about this light is the power requirement, right? This is a 120 watt light. From our usage, we've noticed that anything above 65 watts power output can power on this light. So if you have your phone charger that outputs 65 watts and above, like your 120 watt charger, your 90 watt charger, all of that can power on this light. There are power banks that can, also do that. So you can easily take this light, power it with your power bank. But in this video, I'm going to use this V-mount battery to power it on. So it's simple. I just plug it to the Type-C power output, right? So you can see now here, it's already showing that, yeah, I've plugged this light. It came on its own. Now this button here has M here and plus here and then all this. So this is where you power it on. So I'm going to press it and power it on. Okay, now you can see that the light is on. We can remove this control and use it, however we want. The intensity of the light is 100. This is how soft this light is on me. You can see that I'm dropping the intensity to below 20. So this is it. You can just release it from here and give it to your assistant while you have the remote with you. So as you're working, you're carrying this thing, your assistant is carrying this thing, you are able to use the remote to control the intensity, the color of this light. So let me show you. So I can go to even scenes and other things. So this is the color. It can go from your 6500 to your 2700. You can see that the color is changing, right? So this is it. So this is one of the things I like about this light. The fact that it's light, it's portable, and the fact that it has this diffused light coming from it. There's glow coming from it. It's not harsh in any way, right? So this is one of the amazing things I like about the light. If you have any further question, you can drop it in the comment section below. But believe me, this is a beautiful light to have. Other things you can see about this light are effects. So you have effects, and effects you can see how it's coming off. This is initial pop. So I can change lightning effects. You can see the effect. I can move to this one, TV effects. You can see. So if you want a cinematic creative shot with this light, it can still give you that option. I can move to candle effect, so you can see how fast it is. Another thing you should know about this light that is very, very important is that when you are using this light, after you are done using it, first of all, turn it off and don't immediately fold it. So when you power it off, allow it some time to cool, and once it's done, you can power it on. Now this is so that you not go and trap the small heat that the LED screens, LED bulbs inside produce. LED, in as much as they don't produce much heat, they produce heat, right? So that you not go and trap it here to destroy your light. So this is a very important caution, right, about this light. You should know. But apart from that, I don't think there's any issue about this light. So you can see how beautiful, glowing, soft light that is coming from it. And you have seen, I've shown you the effects, that this light comes with. So this is the light, beautiful, and going from your 2700 to your 6500. All of them can be controlled remotely with this remote, right? So come on, if you have any other question, please drop it in the comment section below and we'll answer you. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button because we'll be dropping contents like this to guide you in your content creation journey. Thank you.